Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what have we got for you today? What we've got for you today is a lovely Wyvern fountain pen in this lovely grey colour. Now the Wyvern pens, some of you people will look at it and say, Wyvern? Never heard of them. Yes, they're a pen manufacturer that in my opinion are very much overlooked. Wyvern made some beautiful quality made fountain pens. They were in fact actually one of the longest pen manufacturers in England of the period, and as I said, made some gorgeous pens. Now this particular one is a Wyvern 202 fountain pen. Now I've actually shown you a similar pen in black, but there are just some slight differences, and what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the top there at the end. Go and have a look at that, and there's a little bit more information. But as I say, what we've got here is a grey Wyvern 202 fountain pen. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 133 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 11.5 millimeters in diameter. Now, comes with gold plated trim. You can see it's got this lovely wide cap band to the bottom of the cap there, and you can see it's got the word Wyvern written all around the band. Let's take you up to this sort of slimline sort of clip, if you like, there, very reminiscent of the Wyvern pens of the period. There's a sideways view, and to the top there we've got this sort of cap stud or jewel to the very top of the cap there. Now this pen, for you people that don't know, if I just take the bottom blind cap off like so, you can see it's a button fill fountain pen. Now the pen came to me a little while ago in another job lot. It was sadly, it's a little bit tired. I've fully cleaned it, we've put a new sack in it, a new pressure bar inside the pen, so hopefully it'll be in full working order. It's got a push on push off cap or friction cap. Let's show you the pen in different angles, in lovely condition, and the pen I'm dating sort of late 1940s 1950s. Let's pop the cap down. Let's take you up to this section there, and you can see this section is quite an elongated section, and it's got this ridge towards the nib there. Now the nib, look at that, isn't that unusual? Yes, this particular model they used a sort of rounded nib. Let's show you the feed underneath there. You can see it literally wraps round the feed, very reminiscent with the Parker 51 nib. Let's show you the imprint. You can see it's got the Wyvern dragon or the Wyvern symbol to the top there, and then it's got Wyvern 14 karat gold. So all in all, a lovely nib. There you go. Let's show you that underneath again. So this very reminiscent of a Parker 51 nib, this sort of wrap round nib. Very nice indeed, very comfortable to hold. Okay, now one of the things I've not shown you, it's a little bit light on this pen, so I'm not sure if it's going to be sort of visible to you, but let's sort of give it a twirl. The imprint is slightly different on this one compared with the previous one with the link. It's got Wyvern, well, it's got Wyvern 202, and then underneath it's got I think it's Pat pending and then underneath made in England, running sort of the length of the barrel. Whereas as you'll see with the other one, the imprint on these are generally to the top of the barrel around this area here, but you'll see that on the other one there, so go and have a look at that. So as I said, a nice comfortable pen. With my large hands it still feels nice and comfortable. Now I've put a new sack in it, I've put a new pressure bar. I don't want to fill the pen, because what I'll do, I'll leave that pleasure to the new owner. So what we'll do, we'll try and find a new home for it. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this nib writes. So what we'll do, to the side here I've got my ink, and we'll simply do a dip test. I've dipped it in a little bit too far there, so let's do that again. There we go, and let's see how the pen writes. So what we have is a Wyvern 202. Made in England, late 1940s, going into the 1950s. Let's just do another little dip. As I say, the Wyvern, one of the sort of longest pen manufacturers in England of that particular period. And also, I think I've actually shown you some other Wyvern models, so if you're interested, go and have a look at that. Does it have a flex nib? I wouldn't expect it to, and I think the answer is no. But it's writing very nicely, and writing with a fine line. So there's no flexibility, as you'd expect from this sort of long wrap around nib. Let's just give it a little bit of a wipe. What we'll do, we'll clean it after the video, and we'll try and find a new home for this lovely pen. So a nice, well made, quality made fountain pen from the Wyvern pen manufacturers of Leicester, England. A lovely pen. Let's pop that down. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Have you subscribed? If not, why not? Please subscribe, and if you can, please support my work. And don't forget people, all this going round at the moment, stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.